Imagine a world where cooking is reinvented, where health is combined with indulgence, and where technology opens the doors to a diet that is both delicious and beneficial. Today, I have the immense pleasure of introducing you to a revolution in our cooking with the Cecotec Cecofry Dual 9001, an innovation designed to transform the way we cook by combining enjoyment, health, and simplicity. Let's discover together this gem of culinary technology that is sure to dazzle you. If you're interested, feel free to click on the link in the description now to see hundreds of extremely satisfied customer reviews and order it right away. This product is ideal for lovers of healthy and practical cooking who are looking to prepare tasty dishes without compromising on health. Perfect for busy families looking to diversify their meals while minimizing time spent in the kitchen. At the heart of this revolution, the Cecofry Dual 9000 stands out with its exceptional capacity of 9 liters, a true feat that allows for cooking large quantities of food, thus meeting the needs of the whole family and even guests. Imagine preparing a feast for your loved ones without having to make multiple trips to the kitchen. All of this in a sleek appliance with a stainless steel finish. But that's not all. The real magic happens thanks to its perfect cook hot air technology, an innovative process that ensures perfect cooking of the food. Tender on the inside and crispy on the outside, your dishes will be transformed, revealing textures and flavors that will delight the most discerning palates. Less oil does not mean less taste. On the contrary, with just a spoonful of oil, your dishes will not only be delicious, but also healthier. And guess what? You can own this product with just one click on the link in the description and see hundreds of reviews from very satisfied customers. Versatility is another major advantage of the Cecofry Dual 9000. Thanks to its removable separator, you can choose between 2 baskets for dual temperature cooking or a single large basin, thus offering unmatched flexibility for all your preparations. Imagine cooking crispy fries on one side while preparing juicy chicken on the other, all simultaneously and without mixing the flavors. Using this device is incredibly simple. Its multifunctional touch control panel allows you to choose from 6 pre-configured modes, automatically adjusting the time and temperature for a variety of foods. In addition, its temperature regulation function ranging from 20 to 200 degrees Celsius allows you personalized freedom for each dish according to your preferences, ensuring impeccable results every time. Safety has not been overlooked with overheating protection and a non-slip base. The Cecofry Dual 9000 ensures worry-free use, allowing you to fully focus on culinary creativity. Moreover, its compact and modern design fits perfectly into any kitchen, adding a touch of elegance without compromising space. So don't miss the opportunity to click on the link in the description to understand and see its unique features, read thousands of reviews from satisfied customers, and order yours right now. And let's talk about its ease of cleaning, an often overlooked but crucial aspect. The thoughtful design of this appliance ensures that cleaning is as simple as its use. No more hours spent scrubbing oil residues with the Cecotec Cecofry Dual 9001. A simple rinse is enough. Now let's recap its advantages as well as its disadvantages. Advantage number 1, healthy cooking. Allows for cooking with little or no oil, providing less greasy and healthier dishes. Advantage number 2, large capacity. With a 9-liter capacity, it is ideal for preparing meals for large families or groups. Advantage number 3, cooking flexibility. The ability to divide the buckets in 2 allows for cooking different dishes simultaneously, optimizing the time spent in the kitchen. Advantage number 4, technology. Perfect Cook ensures even cooking and tender results on the inside, while being crispy on the outside. Advantage number 5, ease of use. Touch control panel with 6 pre-configured modes to simplify the preparation of various foods. Advantage number 6, compact and modern design. Fits well in modern kitchens without taking up too much space. Now let's move on to a few disadvantages. Disadvantage of plastic. The plastic construction may raise concerns about durability and long-term resistance, especially at high temperatures. So by choosing the Cecofry Dual 9000, you are doing more than just acquiring a cooking appliance. You invite into your home a culinary partner capable of transforming your diet by providing healthy, delicious, and varied meals day after day. This is not just an oil-free fryer. It is a promise of friendly meals, shared moments, and unforgettable memories around healthy and tasty dishes. So if you are ready to revolutionize your kitchen, embrace a healthier diet without sacrificing taste, and discover a new way to cook that is quick, simple, and effective, look no further. Click on the link in the description to order your Cecofry Dual 9000 at the best price. And discover for yourself why hundreds of customer reviews are singing the praises of this revolutionary product. Don't miss this opportunity to make every meal a moment of pleasure and health. It's time to make the choice that will change the way you cook for the better. Thank you for your attention, and I hope to see you very soon.